Where are we going?
I don't know. Where do you think we're going?
I don't know.
Scotty, where are we going?
Where are we going, mister?
Idyllwild.
For what?
Donut.
Donuts. We are so crazy. We're gonna drive an hour to get some donuts.
45 minutes. And we'll just check Idyllwild out. Never been.
Well, we've been, but it was right in the middle of COVID and it was closed.
Yeah, so nice little day out. We'll go cruise, check it out.
Beautiful weather. A little chilly, only 46, not too bad now.
We made it to Idyllwild. Small little town up here. What is it? 2,000 people? 3,000 people? 3,700 people up here. It's a bit windy. This is the little circle center area here. All the big pine trees. Where you going, bud? Let's go this way. Still a little bit of snow on the ground out here from the last storms we had.
Get out of there, bud. Don't open the fence.
There's snow over here too. By the flagpole.
It's ice now.
Yeah, it's ice now, bud. Hey, cute boots.
What?
Cute boots. Yeah.
I want it.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over here. Here's the place Mommy's been wanting to go to. Amelia's Donuts. They look so good.
Cinnamon sugar donut.
Is that the best donut ever? Uh-huh. Yeah. What are you eating?
I'm eating 3 pebbles.
You good? I'm eating the apple fritters. I think this might even be better than Jensen's up in Arrowhead, my favorite.
Mommy didn't grab napkins.
Say?
The frosting's good.
The frosting's good? Yeah, it's all over you, dude. What you got there?
It's looking a little crumbled because I've eaten half of it.
Bacon donut? Is it everything you ever expected?
Can I have?
Yeah? Okay! Okay, time to wipe your hands. Alright, we scarfed down some of Amelia's donuts. And they were delicious. We got it all over ourselves. Huh? Were those the best donuts ever? Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go cruise up and down the little town center area and see what else we could see. There's pretty mountains up there. You can see through the trees and big rocks. Cute, tiny little mountain town up here. Probably be really nice right after the snow. It's gonna be all white. They also have a board here for all the vacation homes, so if you want to come, I'm sure there's plenty of Airbnbs up here with some gorgeous views. Alright, that's a wrap for our little adventure up in Idyllwild, little town, cool little place. Weekends, they don't open till about 10 o'clock. Looks like during the week they don't open till 11. So we got the famous Amelia's donuts I wanted to get, which were delicious. We got more to bring home. And then we walked around some of the shops. Yeah, they had a little bit of everything out here. What do you think?
That's cool.
It was cool?
Not too crazy crowded.
Nope. What do you think, Scotty?
Not yet. Still only 10:30.
Do you think it was a cool place? Yeah?
He didn't get a toy.
He's a little sexy and get a toy. But, alright. Now it's only about 45 minutes back home down the mountain. So time to head back down and work on the house.